Queen Maxima of the Netherlands is a woman on a mission. As the United Nations Special Advocate for Inclusive Finance for Development since 2009, her goal is that households and small business owners can gain access to financial services. Her first stop in Beijing on Wednesday was Peking University's National School of Development, delivering a speech to students to raise awareness about financing for small and medium-sized enterprises in China. But shortly after, the convoy left for the rural areas surrounding the capital. Dongxintun is an ordinary village in the southeast of Beijing. Villagers here used to make their living from planting crops and agriculture. Nowadays, however, the locals can get loans to start up their own businesses. Bank of Beijing works with the village cooperative and set up a collective guarantee fund pool offering benchmark interest rate loans for applicants. It has established a financial service center for the villagers here, equipped with a machine for cash withdrawal, one for transfers, a computer for e-banking, one for mobile banking, and a special telephone to reach the call center for assistance.
We have already provided to more than 200,000 farmers banking cards, which will allow them to put their money they earned on their banking accounts without having them as cash in their homes. And in more than 200 villages we have also post machines, so they can deposit the money in those accounts and also take the money out whenever they need it.
The government and China's banking regulator have been pushing for more financial inclusion and bank lending to small businesses. SMEs are a key pillar of China's economy, generating over 60% of GDP and 50% of tax revenues. They also account for 99% of the total number of companies and contribute to 80% of jobs in cities. On the ground, a lot is happening. To develop the rural economy, the village committee here is helping female villagers start their own handmade noodle business. One beneficiary is this restaurant owner.
Bank of Beijing came and we applied for a loan to expand our business. We used to only have 4 tables. After we got the loans, we now have 7 more tables in this yard. And now we can serve more customers. They are more satisfied because they don't have to wait for a long time.
The Dutch royal is hopeful that in the future, entrepreneurs here will be able to get credit more easily than before.
The country has done great efforts to bring people into the financial system these last years, and now they have reached 64% of the population to the financial services, and that is much higher than a lot of the emerging countries. So this is really very positive. But having said that, it is not yet 100%, and that means that 400 million people still need to actually have access to financial services.
In addition to the Majesty's support, China's rate cuts this November may also boost new loans to small borrowers. So far have been struggling to repay loans and access credit. Martina Forst, CCTV News in Dongxintun village near Beijing.